Yo, what's up, guys? It's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today got here the finished product of the Kaiten FX Mark 0, and the kit is really huge as compared to what I expected because in the description this is about 16 centimeters, so I am expecting a small kit, but technically and physically the kit is really wide, and although it's short, of course, a 16 centimeters kit, this is a blocky and bulky kit compared with the other small kits that I had, like the Modoroid Escaflowne or the Mandarin Berserker from I forgot the company anyway. So this is a very nice kit from goodsmilecompany. So this is not a Modoroid kit, but it is belong with the Goodsmile, and this is made in Korea, by the way. So the kit is really nice. I like the blocky feel of this kit. This is really like a kid stuff, and this is a bit somehow intermediate to build due to the small parts, but it's very easy if you're a beginner in the gunpla industry or plastic model kit industry or hobby. This kit is a nice start for you. This is very easy to build. Okay, so let's go with the silhouette of this kit. This kit comprises of 5 separate mecha machine or parts, so we will combine it to form the one big mecha here, which is very cool. So let's talk about first the head. The head here is cool. It's the head of the mackerel, the fish. And if you're going to remove the cap here, you will expose the 5 sentais. It's like super sentais, by the way. So it's like after they combine, they will go inside the head of this kit. So there you can see the sentai figures there. So it's up to you if you can paint it if you want. So it's very tiny, and much better if you paint it. So if you want to display it exposing the sentais, it will look nice. But as for me, it doesn't matter because I will display it with the cap or the head skull on the head, like that. So the head can rotate 360 degrees like that. But the bad thing about this kit is there are loose parts, so you need to glue it, and it's also included in the instruction that you need to glue this kind of plastics here, this part on the head. Okay, so the arms, it has a asymmetrical set of arms, so I would need to remove first this sword here. The sword is really annoying. To be honest, this kit is really sticker heavy, but the sticker cannot stick well. It loses the grip of the sticker, so from time to time it will get it will get unstick on the sword. Anyway, so the hands here, or the arms, can rotate 360 degrees, can raise up to, actually it cannot raise far because of the joint appearance or joint structure there. It can only do some inward or outward and inward shoulder movement, and the elbow can bend up to this far only, but it can rotate 360 degrees also, presuming. And the shield here, it's attached on the connector on the forearm. The hands are really cool. This is a two finger here and the one thumb there, and it can act as a claw. It can claw the weapons like that. Okay, and the other side, the shrimp arm here, you can see that there's this shrimp design. I really like this. It's a cool gimmick and cool thing to have in the mecha. This is very bizarre and ridiculous. So we got here the shrimp tail, and aside from that, we got here this, it's like the wasabi spread. And here on the right arm, which is for me the heaviest part in the kit, we got here the Gatling gun. So the Gatling gun can mount on the right arm. So the sticker here for the Gatling gun really sucks. Cannot stick well, especially this sticker here that surrounds this barrels. Cannot stick well, so I might remove it or apply some glue instead to make this thing stick. And good thing about this Gatling gun here, it can rotate there. Can rotate there, and in the right forearm where the Gatling gun was mounted, you can close it like this. So there, you can close it, and you can now do some functional arm movement there. You can rotate this one, inward and outward movement. The waist can rotate separately. So we got the upper waist connector, which connect the torso, and the lower waist connector, which connect the abdomen from this waist. So there, we got the good ab crunch. And for the legs can kick up to this far. So we got here this front skirt, so it can kick up to this far and kick back up to this far, although we got no butt flap here. And there, you can do some splits like that. So it can do some split here, and the side skirt can raise up to that far. So there, you can raise the side skirt there, and it can do this ridiculous split, which is very nice, as you can see. This even though this kit is short in stature, it can still split decently. Okay, and there we got symmetrical feet here, and the stickers are being removed on this part. Anyway, so this is I think the eel, and this is crumble. Okay, so the scramble egg there can move the knees or bend the knees up to this far, blocky bend, and the feet can there. So we can bend the legs, bend the knees like that, and the feet can move side to side, and plantar extend and plantar flex. So the feet here looks like the traditional Japanese sandals there, which is very cute. And underneath those sandals, we can see the tracks for the Mecha or the vehicle mode there. And the sword, by the way, the sword here is really annoying for me, especially the sticker. The sticker keeps on unsticking on the blade, so I might put some glue on this sticker to stick well on this plastic. So I might use the paper glue for this, since this is not a... Oops! Damn, the head fell off. So I might use the paper glue to stick those stickers on the sword. Okay, so the head came off, but you can reapply it like this. Okay. So there we go. We got these 5 mecha here, food mechas. So we got the shrimp. This I forgot the name of this shit. And we got the mackerel tank. We got this crumbler tank and the eel tank. So we got 5 of this, and these are the accessories. So I remove first the accessories. So how to assemble this piece here into the 5 mechas. By the way, let's review first. So we got here this very nicely colored shrimp here. So this is our all color separated piece here, and we got the tracks here. We got this tank tracks, and the hands can be kept inside of this shaft for this salami thing here. There we got this tracks also. The hands are being kept inside the shaft there. For the scrambler tank, we got the tracks exposed there, and the scramble egg, and we got the eel tank. There we got this tracks exposed also underneath this one. So we got this tracks exposed, and the main body here, which is the mackerel tank. So we got the mackerel parts or the head. So very cute. So these are all stickers. By the way, this white lines here, they are all stickers, and the red line here in the center, these are all stickers. So let's transform this first. So first thing you need to do is open the back shaft here and rotate this track and put it inside. Also this part here, rotate this and fold it inward. Okay, keep inside the torso close, and this one here for the waist, open this flap, close this piece here, also the other piece here, and lock it in place. And the head, you need to rotate it there. Oops, something fell off again. Okay, so this the tie. Okay, oops. So I need to glue these parts because these are all loose. Bullshit, all are coming out. Then let's proceed with the right arm, which is the shrimp tank. So you need to pull this, extend this, expose the hand, and retract these pieces here, fold inward, and there we go, it's closed. And here, slide up the shrimp tail, and we got the right hand. For the left arm, again, expose this or pull this, then expose the left hand, then the front wheel, you need to bend it inward and close this flap hiding the wheels inside the forearm. And for the right leg, you need to fold this tracks inward, also this tracks inward, then bend this upward and push upward. Okay. And for the left leg, same, fold, bend and push. Okay. Then let's combine it. Expose the shaft here, this piece is here. Okay, actually we need to rotate this up. There we go. There. Okay, and there's the leg connector, so let's now combine it. Okay, so it's very easy. This is a kid-friendly toy, by the way. There. And finally, the other arm. There we go. And we have the complete Kaiten. So the accessories here also in the chest can open to expose this missile parts there. But you need to remove this piece here to expose this shaft here where you can attach the fish missiles, which I don't have right now, sorry for that. So need to attach fish missiles here, 8 pieces of that, to make the scene. It's like the heavy arms exposing all the missiles instead of Gatling gun there. It's very cool. And then it has this Gatling gun, so it really has the heavy arms feel. So it can expose it there, open it, touch the Gatling gun like that. Oops. And presto, we got this Kaiten heavy arms, and it has this sword also. Okay, very nice kit. So for size comparison, first let's return back all this piece here. Okay, and close this. Size comparison, we got here the Gundam Heavy Arms Master Grade from Supernova. So there, it's shorter than your Heavy Arms. And we got here the average or the standard Master Grade 1/100 scale. We got the Bandai Gundam Seferantes or the GP01 there. So it's 16 centimeters, so it's smaller than the average size Gundams. And we got here the Shopee Armor Walker Cut 04, and there they are both 16 centimeters, so they're of the same height. Again, thank you so much for watching the review of this Kaiten FX Mark 0 from goodsmilecompany from God Brave Studio. This is Cameraman from Cameraman Gunpla Studio saying good night. God bless, take care.